In this video, I'll show you how you can use the conditional formatting options in Excel. This is Microsoft Excel 2019, but it works on Office Microsoft 365 and newer versions of Excel. How you do it is very easy. You go to on the home panel, you click on conditional formatting and you can choose the style you want to see. Basically, it will show either bars or heat, color temperature, depending on the number. It's a way to visualize data without having to read the numbers, basically. You can see even small icons showing you the trend of each data, and you can combine them. Here you see they are combined. What I really like the most are the bars and the color temperature from green to red. Those really give you a nice idea of how the values are. You see the ones are green because they're low, and the higher numbers they show higher. On the bars also, they are very helpful, just like the Excel charts basically, but they are directly on the table and you can see the information there much faster. And once you found the row that you're interested in, you can read the number right there. The value is there. They're pretty useful to analyze some information and read data in a human readable way. I guess this is the purpose of conditional formatting, to format data in a way that you can easily read it as a human. There are so many options here. You just have to choose your preference, really. And I don't know all the options here. I barely use it, mostly for the color temperature to see something, or the bars. This is what I would normally use. And if you want, I guess you can have even custom formats. I didn't go so far with it, but it's nice to have the option there whenever you want to visualize data in a simple way. You have the conditional formatting. There is also the whole data tab, where you can sort your table by any column. You can filter. They are very useful, the sort option and the filter option in Microsoft Excel and other spreadsheet software from Google, or the open source ones, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, Google Sheets. I'm pretty sure Google Sheets is more advanced even than Microsoft Excel, because it would have integration with Gmail, probably. I didn't try that. Let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in seeing more about Excel files or Google Sheets, and how to read data from Google Forms, for example, or different options. Here it's formatting for a table. You can format the tables really nicely. There are a lot of options to do column formatting, and also the rows can be alternating, so you can see different rows on different colors. This looks really nice here. I really like this. This is just sample test data, but if it was real data, you would see it's more meaningful. You'll find what you're looking for much faster. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you use this and how you use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel or in your preferred spreadsheet application, spreadsheet program. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.